Alright everybody, today we're going to be replacing our halogen turn signals with LEDs, and we're going to change the color from amber to red. So right now they're amber. This will be flashers as well. So we're going to go to red. Check your local laws. I'm not sure if it's legal in every state or country to have red blinkers, but in our state we're good. Hey guys, so the next part, we're going to go ahead and install the turn signals with the red LEDs. So we're going to remove this housing to gain access to the bulb. Whenever you pull this off, the clip's kind of holding it in. It kind of gets a little unruly, and there's a good chance you can scratch your paint. So I'll just use a little masking tape right on the edge, so whenever it releases, we don't have to worry about it scratching. It may be overkill to do it, but masking tape is cheaper than paint. So next up, we're going to pull this panel here. It doesn't take any special tools. Just pop it loose. There's two bolts that are securing this. They are 10 millimeter. Just remove those. Once those are removed, and then you just want to grab and just pull. They're held in this slot here, this clip here. This slides into the clip. This plug, or this point, goes into that. So here's our turn signal bulb. Just remove it. And I went with the Cinetic USAs.
Let me see what you're doing.
I'm plugging these in. And these have their own resistors attached. These are the same ones that we used for our turn signals up front, except these are red. Just plugs in. So we're just going to zip tie. Just reinstall. And then just push. Okay, now that the tape is removed and this is installed firmly in place, we'll replace our bolts. And they're just held in with plastic clips, so you don't have to over tighten them. Just make sure they're snug. And then replace your cover. And that's it. We'll do the same on the other side. got the turn signals, flashers are installed now. So we're going to check out how the red looks. They are super bright. Alright guys, here's a nighttime shot of our flashers. They are crazy bright. Looks good. So thanks for watching. Check out our other videos that we've got on the RAV4 installs. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, we'll talk to you later.